Hey y'all, I'm essenceray. Welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today we're talking about everything digital products, okay?
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
So this is a mindset, abundance mindset, productivity, getting to the bag, girl chat type of channel. So I feel like it's only right that we talk about tangible ways to make money, side hustles, income opportunities, that sort of thing, right? And thus, Money Mondays was born. So thanks for tuning in, and definitely subscribe if that's something that you want to learn more about. Okay. So just a quick backstory about how I actually found the idea of digital products. In 2021, me and my ex broke up, and you know with breakups, you kind of just go your separate ways. So I had to move on my own, and I was a little bit unprepared. I was laid off during COVID. I was in the middle of grad school. I was just trying to graduate. So I was lucky enough to find an apartment, and everything was good so far. So in 2020, I started an e-commerce fashion brand. It was more of a passion product, and I designed pieces. It was successful, but it just wasn't enough to support me just yet, let alone a whole new apartment, more bills, utilities. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it was a physical brand, so I had to design pieces for hours. Shoot, I managed my social media. I ran my Facebook ads, my TikTok ads. I was a one-man show, essentially. So to make ends meet, I started Instacarting and Ubering, and that would basically take me all day to do. The main issue was all of the time that I was exchanging for little money. And I loved my shop, but I just couldn't do everything and still stay afloat because of that idea of so much time that I was expending, and I just wasn't getting the results back that I needed to be sufficiently supported and work on my business. So I graduated, y'all. In addition to getting a job right out of grad school, I was dedicated and on the hunt to finding a passive way to make money. And that's when I found digital products. At first, I was a little annoyed with the whole idea of digital products because I was like, everybody has a course, everybody has an ebook. Like, what is this phenomenon of all these people that I'm scrolling through on social media telling me to buy this thing that I can't physically touch? Like, you're sending me a computer file, like, I'm gonna pay you for that? I just didn't understand the whole exchange of value situation outside of physical things that I could make with my hands or exchanging my time for money. But yeah, so what are digital products? So when you think of digital products, think ebooks, digital planners, budget trackers, presets, content calendars, basically digital versions of useful things that you can purchase on online platforms. So how do you create a digital product? First, you gotta pick a niche. So maybe you're into fitness, cooking, maybe you're into astrology. Find something that is an interest of yours or a skill that you already have. Like if you're a real estate investor, maybe your niche should be real estate, since you already have knowledge in that subject area. Next, you're gonna identify your target audience. So think of your audience as just one person or one type of person. What are the demographics or interests of this person? Age, occupation, hobbies, favorite stores, pain points, etc. The more specific your target audience is, the more you're able to really cater and tailor your digital product to that person. One marketing thing that I learned a long time ago was if you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. So next, you want to start creating your content. Now, Canva, as y'all probably already know, is goated. ChatGPT is a close second because you can use that to literally brainstorm your ideas for your content. It's amazing. By the way, I don't recommend using ChatGPT word for word, like make it your own. But Canva has tons of cool templates, photos, resources to help you make a really high quality digital product. But yeah, I highly recommend Canva. Even more Canva Pro, but I'm not sponsored, so do with that what you will. So after you've made your digital product, you just gotta decide what platform you wanna put it on to sell it. Some people like Etsy, but I personally think their fees are too much. I personally recommend StanStore. StanStore is easy to set up, It's user friendly. It's not too technical. You upload stuff, you fill in your descriptions, you customize the way you want your website to look, and boom, you're good. If you want to sign up for Store, you can get a 14-day free trial when you sign up. I have a link below for you just so you can get started and put your digital product up on a platform and start making money if you're ready to. So once your digital product is published and on a platform, all you need to do is market your digital product on your social media platforms to get it out there and get traffic to your store so people can see it and thus purchase it. I personally recommend creating a new social media account for your business or your digital products just so you can start fresh and be more professional. So if you're a beginner or you're not tech savvy or you just don't want to go through the whole thing of creating your own product, you can purchase already made products and sell those. And I'll be talking about that next Money Monday because that is a really great option for beginners. But in the meantime, I have below a free list of 25 highly profitable digital product ideas. So definitely check that out. Let me know if you guys have any questions and I'll answer them in the comments, or I'll make a video if there's a ton of comments on the same question. But stay tuned for more Money Mondays and I'll catch y'all on the next video.